Mr. Zulu, his friends, his family, and of course they will receive
for your eyes, for your eyes, she past that ego. She did you like Ronaldo, my sweetie Porero, Eminado. She like my song, she like my song. Her favorite dance is not Davido, Davido. And I like what I see, I like what I see. Baby girl, just come balance on me, hey. Cause nobody can love you like I do, nobody can touch you like I do, nobody can love you like I do, nobody can touch you like I do. Cause you want my love, cause you want my love. She no one designer, she no one Ferrari. She said I'm my love. You belong to me and I belong to her. Oh baby, you go killing somebody. They say love is blind, but I did see her for your eyes. For your eyes. They say love is blind, but I did see her for your eyes. The baddest, baby girl, you the baddest. Oh yeah, shaking your assets, making man no go forget.
Very, very most important aspect of this celebration. It is the time when the bride will be empowered to locate her husband by her father.
Have you seen my beautiful baby?
Have
you seen my tomato baby? Oh, baby, suffer they cool me temper. Ada, baby, na sugar, yo. Everybody they wait. Puta kene no more. If I didn't maka, better soup na money kilamo. Ada mwa pekem ya, ada. Ada get them for everywhere. Ada know they like Ada get them for up and down. Baby na tomato, baby too fresh like morning wine. Ada welele, iyo koko. Everybody they wait. Puta kene no bo. If any maka, better soup na money kilamo. Ada umwa pekem ya. Ada, ada.
There is something significant about the age
that you are getting married. I've accepted you as my child, as one of my children. God is going to see you through this journey. I want to make a promise to you and your wife.
Let the blessing that your dear blessed you today go with you. Build your home. Make your home a peaceful one. Love the people that you meet there. Do not repay evil for evil, but show love to everyone. And I can assure you, in blessing, God will bless you.
Daddy, bye bye. In 9 months' time, we will come visiting with a boy and girl, Anna Bejima, Adada, yo.
What do you do when you see a fine man and a beautiful damsel?
Baby,